you know what? It's still coming down. Wow. Pretty deep. This is gonna make a good video. Where did you go? You dug your way out over there?
Yeah, I just wanted to see how far I could go that way. This is where I want my way to go.
Wow. The blizzard of 2011 has passed through, and this is what it has left in its wake. Angela is always on my mind. There's the mailboxes. Will we get mail today? Who knows? Flag looks a little bit beat today. Not Old Glory. She's still flying high. Always will. Whoa. This is at the corner. Wow. Should have went in the street. This looks really iffy here. This is at the corner. Wow. Cool.